The Luxator periotome is a periotome with a very sharp edge that allows you to cut the periodontal ligament and that way luxate the tooth so that it can be extracted from its socket. The edge of this instrument is not designed to be used as an elevator, so if you use it like an elevator, the edge will be damaged and lose its sharpness, and in time there may even be fractures on the edge of the periotome. I recommend to use this grip when using the periotome to reduce the risk of slipping and injuring the patient. It is wise to use the non-working hand as a support when luxating the tooth. I usually start with a small luxator, and once I feel that I have created access to the periodontal ligament, I change to a broader luxator. I try to use my index finger to support the working part throughout the whole time. When using the periotome, you should use a side-to-side movement along the axis of the root to cut the periodontal ligament. This way, you minimize the risk of fracturing the bone surrounding the root. Usually, when a root is sufficiently luxated, it can be removed using a pair of tweezers.